Ni mwecheche stupid boy jo. Yani stupid boy ama kupima weight. Mimi napata tu news manze, stupid boy mamwani aje jinyuri jo. Hebu mnipeleke na mtaratara manze. Watu wangu wa Soweto jo. Boys mama tu ni hivyo hivyo, yani aende yani kuingia jo.
What's up my people, what's up my good friends? So today is another video here, and I would say that today is one of the most saddest days here in Kenya. Yeah, so any Mkenya najua we've lost one of the most controversial personality here in Kenya, and you'd ask yourself so many questions, and you'd be like, it was meant, because after all we have to die. But I would rather refer this guy as one of the most controversial person, because there are so many positive things that he has inspired somebody with here in Kenya. And I would say that one of the most positive thing that this guy has managed to give us is something called determination. Yeah, he showed that difficult beginnings do not necessarily prevent someone from pursuing their dreams. Yeah, as you can compare the journey of this guy called Stupid Boy is one of the personalities wenye wametoka slums, but he really maneuvered and managed to do a song, to add other dreams, attend so many interviews, and be like somebody who will be inspired in a way. And again, amekuwa kwa top chartings in Kenya. And another thing I can say that anytime he was bringing engagement, like people were talking about him. You remember there's a time when Obina when Obina took him to rehabilitation center. That was one of the most trending things in Kenya, and that is one of the things that I would say that this guy, he was very determined. And I can say that his music, he became known through his music, and managed to build a name for himself in Kenya entertainment scene. That is the same thing like nimesema. And another thing I can say that his resilience, because despite of facing challenges in his personal and professional life, he continued trying to move forward, because this guy is one of the people that ukiangalia life yao, you'd be like face so many challenges in life, and he's from ghetto and so many things. So the death of this guy imetuachana so many sadness in our heart as people, and venye tumeona venye jamaa na grow, venye anapelekwa rehabilitation center, and so many things. So another thing I can say that this guy has impacted in us positively is that his ability to attract attention. That is one of the things yenye nimesema. And another thing is openness about struggle. You see, this guy was every time ungeingia TikTok live, not every time but in often ungeingia pale TikTok, ungepata kama ujamaa is always on TikTok, ana vibe like he's just open, anasema kitu anafikiria ndo anasema, and that is life bado inaendelea. So I would say that this guy is one of the people that they are open with their life. Yeah, you remember when alikuwa na attend interview Obina last year, it was like anataka tu asaidiwe. So you can imagine the openness of this guy was very, very, it was very encouraging, to help this person. And lastly, I would say that his influence on young people, his stories demonstrated the importance of persistent and continuing to pursue one goals despite of setbacks. That is the same thing that I've said, that jamaa alikuwa anajituma, and hakuwa anaangalia penye anatoka. Like watu unajua kuna watu wengine wanaweza toka slum, and when you try to manage to manage to be one of the most successful people, watu wengine wanaweza sema that you are from this place, so you just need to chill, but this guy was alikuwa anaona kama hizo are not his thing. So this guy was really everywhere. You'd see him like trying to overcome things, trying to find new environment. And so, however, ukiangalia life ya jamaa, you'd be like there are some things that ungesema this guy was somehow very going wrong somewhere. And one of the things, let me say, one of the negative effect that this guy ametuonyesha hapa in Kenya is that public controversies. His life was sometimes surrounded by arguments and disagreements and so many bad chatting. So that is one of the things. You remember when alikuwa ameenda kwa Obina, alikuwa anasema Obina wanted to use him. Yeah, so that is one of the things that unaweza sema was not right. And you as an artist, you as somebody who is out there watching this video, you'll be like, the things that ukiona mistake yenye mtu amefanya, you'd be like, you need to avoid such. Yeah, so that is one of the things. Just try. If you're a celebrity, if you're a creator, you're an upcoming, just keep off bad arguments, disagreement online. Yeah, that is one of the disadvantages and one of the negative impact that this guy tunaweza sema like amepatikana nayo as we celebrate the life of this guy. So another thing, relationship dramas. I can say that some of his romantic relationship became public and generated criticism and discussion online. That is the same thing that I'm saying. Relationship, bro, keep off. Yeah, I'm not saying you should keep off, but I would say that just try to operate maturely. Yeah, that's it. I can say that. Another thing I can say that conflicts with other people, the same thing. Conflict, alikuwa conflict so many times na Obina and so many people, so many creators that unaweza sema wangemsaidia in a way. And another thing I can say that public misunderstanding. You see, some situations involving him were misunderstood or exaggerated through social media. Yeah, so many stories. One of those is that kuna ile story yenye alikuwa ameenda rehab and so many things. And lastly, I would say that being judged by his mistake. You see, some people focused more on his controversies than on his achievement and struggle. You see, ungeona huyu jamaa ako pale ana struggle, you see ana struggle every time, and you'd be like, this guy is a loser. So you would judge him with the type of how he struggles and the disadvantages that he's facing as an individual. So guys, that is one of the things that I would say that this guy called Stupid Boy may impact in our life positively, negatively, and very perfect.